Plumber's tape, also called Teflon tape, is a thin polytetrafluoroethylene film used to seal threaded pipe connections and prevent leaks on water supply lines. Plumber's tape works by filling microscopic gaps and creating a slippery barrier between male and female threads, so the joint compresses tightly without creating a metal-to-metal seal that can leak. For water supply hose connections on a toilet shutoff and fill valve, cut a length of tape and wrap it around the male threads in a counterclockwise direction so the tape does not unravel when you screw the fitting on. Overlap the tape slightly as you go, covering the threads 2 to 4 times for ordinary household plumbing. More wraps may be needed on coarse or damaged threads, but avoid bulky builds that prevent proper engagement. Press the tape into the thread crests with your thumb to seat it and tear it cleanly so loose ends do not bunch up inside the fitting. Hand tighten the hose nut first, then finish with an adjustable wrench or pliers applying steady turns. Do not over-tighten, which can strip threads or deform fittings. After reattaching the supply hose and turning the water back on, observe the connection for at least 5 minutes and feel for any moisture. If you see a drip, slightly tighten the nut or remove the hose, add another wrap of tape, and retest. Common mistakes include wrapping the tape clockwise so it unwraps when you screw on the fitting, which causes failure, so always wrap counterclockwise. Another frequent issue is using too many layers, which keeps the threads from mating and leads to a loose, leaky joint. So keep wraps moderate and redistribute if the nut feels too loose. People sometimes confuse sealant types and use pipe dope only or tape only in the wrong situations. For typical flexible water supply hoses on toilets, tape alone applied correctly is faster and cleaner, but if threads are damaged, consider a thread sealant paste rated for potable water and replace damaged fittings. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local plumbers and other contractors for projects like new toilet installations and water supply work. Our site also helps contractors find jobs and connect with a community where we and other members discuss tips, techniques, and real-world experiences.